Greetings, Dennis Daniels here, Screencast-O-Matic, ZohoCreator. Just was reading this blog entry about ZohoCreator, about importing data by email. So I went and created a basic form. Here it is. And if I click on import data, there's my import data by email. So I'm going to copy that, send it off to myself in an email. Fill in the values next to OK, click cancel. Now here is the item. So I'll just go ahead and run a make video, and it's a task, and it's medium priority, and I'll choose a date, and I'll choose another date, and actually the creation date should fill in automatically now that I noticed that, and then we'll do test and submit. Data added successfully, good. Now let's go back here and let me embed on my website. There's a couple things. First off, this should be lowercase, this should be lowercase, and I don't want to display the form name. Now close. Now the question is, when I refresh this page at 5, are my changes going to be made, or do I have to go and get the code again? It looks like I have to resubmit my code. Fine, but the point here is to email. The data. So let's take a look at test view, see if I've got anything yet. Let the page load, and there it is. It's already come. Now let's check. Let's do a test of the email, and I'll go ahead and load my email application. And I'll write a new message, and put some stuff in here. Now I have to remember where the video, or rather where the emails should go. More actions, import data by email. Okay, so this is the address that it goes to. Control C, and I'll put that in there. I'm going to leave the subject blank. Item 1, type 2, priority 3. So you know there's all kinds of variables in here that may or may not work. This is a test. See, the data points come in this way. Item, task, see the type. If the type isn't the same, is it going to work? Priority, is that going to work? And we'll give a test and see what happens. Okay, it's sending mail. Mail sent successfully. Let's F5 that, see if it shows up. Okay, I'm not terribly disappointed that it didn't, but let's try another one. Control N. Oh, we gotta put that up here. Control A, Control X, paste that in here. There we go. And let's get the test, and we'll try the import data by email again, and we'll use field data that the machine understands. So item, this can be anything. The type, I'll call this a task. Priority, medium. Creation date. I'm going to use these creation dates. because that's probably going to affect it as well. And for that, this is more complete test, and that looks alright. So I'm going to send it. Just send in plain text only. Yes. Okay, delivering mail, sent successfully. F5. Well, didn't work yet. The blog seems to indicate that there is a lag time. I've seen it take quite a while for updates to occur, and I'm not sure what determines when a message emailed into a ZC form will show up, but if you're not in a hurry to see the data, there's room for experimentation. Well, that was my experiment. Thanks for watching, and happy computing.